here. Oh, it really is beautiful.
I told you. It's even nicer than the pictures, huh?
Yeah.
And do you want to know what the best part is?
What?
There's no one around here.
I know, I noticed.
Oh my god. You're shaking.
Well, I'm just not used to being so isolated.
City girl through and through, huh?
Well, it doesn't help that I'm anxious all the time.
I totally get it. But don't worry. I'll protect you from all the crazy axe murderers here.
Don't even joke about that.
I want to show you dogs.
Can't wait to show you the cabin. Oh, yeah. This is so relaxing. Thank you for, the cabin and just everything.
You're so welcome. I mean, I know that with everything that you've been going through lately, a nice little getaway trip was exactly what you needed.
Yeah, but I mean, you went above and beyond for someone that you've only known a couple weeks, so thank you.
Of course. I mean, to be honest, I moved around a lot when I was younger, so I never really made any real friends. So now when I just meet someone that I really connect with, like you, I don't waste any time.
Oh, well, thank you. I like that. So, why did you move around so much?
I was an army brat. My parents moved around a lot, and I don't know. Now, every now and then, I just kind of get these urges to just pack up and go and just start over.
I get that, but please try to fight that urge. I love you as a neighbor, and I don't want another one. I don't want a new one.
I can't promise anything. But speaking of which, I saw John moving out some things.
I know. Almost all his stuff is out. I'm just so glad he's going to be out of my life, and that chapter is going to be done.
Me too. I'm just glad it's over. Oh, will you get my bag for me?
Yeah, of course. Cool, I think you're all good. Is it okay if you do me?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. There you go. It's cold.
Wow. You have an amazing body. What?
No, nothing.
Nothing?
Well, that just felt really weird.
Oh, I get it. So because I'm gay, you automatically think that I'm hitting on you. Wow, really?
No. I promise that I did not mean to offend you. I didn't mean it that way at all. It was me who made it weird, not you. That's all. I'm sorry.
Fine. Apology accepted, weirdo.
I deserve that. Hey, you want some more?
Yeah, please.
It's definitely always my stomach that burns too.
My shoulders get really bad.
Well, it's too bad that we couldn't have the fire.
I know. But, hey, at least we get to watch this movie and be warm.
Yeah, but it's a horror movie. I hate horror movies. My life is already a horror movie. It's so gross.
I love horror movies.
Come on. Here, give me up.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna put on a nice romantic comedy. How about that one?
I hate this fucking shit.
Come on, it's gonna be good. Just trust me, okay?
Okay, fine.
Let's give it a chance.
Oh god. You're not getting weird again, are you? How many times do I have to tell you? I'm not hitting on you.
Listen, I think that maybe... I think that you might have the wrong idea, that's all.
I don't have any idea about this trip. You're my friend. Just because I'm rubbing your foot does not mean... Oh, so now you want to get close to me.
That's scary.
Well, you do look pretty cute when you're scared.
Shut up.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, what?
Have you ever been with a woman?
No, not really. Why?
Well, have you ever thought about it?
Why are you asking me this?
I just kind of get this feeling that maybe you're curious about it.
I'm curious. Why would I be curious? I like guys, and I only like guys, that's it.
That's exactly why I think that. You're overcompensating when you're reacting.
Look, I guess that I have thought about it a couple times, being with women, but I've been with my ex like my entire life, and I just never really acted on it.
That's what I'm saying. Now that you and John are done, maybe it just seems to me like maybe now you're ready for, I don't know, to experience something new. Take a risk.
Unbelievable.
What?
You did take me out here just to get in my pants.
Well, is it working?
I really am enjoying being out here with you.
Me too.
Do you always play with your food?
What can I say? They always taste so much better when their hearts are racing. How did you find me here?
I could smell you as soon as you arrived. I thought I was the only one like me.
I thought so too.
You live among them.
The humans, you mean?
Yeah. How do you do it? How do you resist your instincts?
I have these little weekend getaways. They help. For a little while.
I couldn't do it. I couldn't stand them another second, so I just left. And now I'm constantly on the move, trying to avoid hunting them.
We are the hunt. You cannot deny that. We are at the top of the food chain, not them. You don't have to hide. At least not from me.